Hi, we are Team Arceus. We will be doing our demo from my perspective as a potential user. Once you launch our web app, you will be greeted by our landing page. To log in, you can click on Login in the nav bar, get started over here, or you can scroll down and view our top rated recipes. You can click on any recipe to log in as well. We don't have an account yet, so let's create one now. We'll enter our email address, password, first name, last name. We'll select an activity level, enter our weight, our height, our carbohydrate goal, calorie goal, fat goal, and protein goal. After that, we can click register to create our account.
At the login page, we get a message stating that our registration is successful. From here, we can log into the application using the details we just entered. And after logging in, we are redirected to the homepage of the application, which contains a list of recommended recipes. From here, we can click on My Profile to view our account details and progress towards our nutritional goals. And lastly, we can click the top right icon to be redirected to the goals page.
So there are two sections in this goal page. On the left is your daily tracker, which can help track your daily nutritional intake. And on the right is the list of your favorite recipes. So as this is a new account, it is not showing any recipes here. And there is also one view history button below the tracker. So if you click on it, the app will redirect you to the history page, where you can see the records of your intake in a clear table format. So as you can see, today's date, April 12th, and all the intakes are 0 as no recipes have been added to the tracker yet. And the goals are the ones you set during registrations. So now we can click on the homepage button on the nav bar to go back to the homepage. So on this homepage, our app can recommend a list of recipes based on your nutritional goals. And if you click on any of these recipe cards, it will redirect you to the individual recipe page.
Individual recipe page has step-by-step instructions and a list of ingredients required. Currently, there are no ratings for the recipe, so let's add a review for the recipe by clicking on the Add Review button. We can write our review and click Submit. After submitting our review, we click Return to return to the individual recipe page. To view reviews, we can click on the stars icon and the review we submitted will be visible. Going back to the individual recipe page, we can click on the heart icon to favorite the recipe and click on the Add to Tracker button to log this recipe into the tracker. To check the updated goals, we can go to the goal page by clicking on the top right icon. The recipe will now appear in our favorites list, and the progress bar for our nutritional goals have also been updated. If we click on the View History button, the entry for today's intake will be updated with nutritional values according to the recipe. Clicking on the Search tab on the nav bar will bring us to the search page.
So when we arrive in the search page, we can search for any recipes that we want. So let's say we type in chicken and then click enter. The page will then generate all recipes containing the word chicken. We can also filter the recipes by minimum and maximum calories. We will enter 100 for minimum calories and 200 for maximum calories. And then click apply filters. The page will then generate all chicken recipes with a minimum of 100 calories and a maximum of 200 calories. We are also able to sort recipes by the number of calories, increasing or decreasing alphabetical order. So if you click on A to Z, we can see that the recipes are sorted in increasing alphabetical order. And that is our search page. So now we will click on the My Profile tab and we will be redirected to the My Profile page. On the My Profile page, we will click on the Edit Profile button and we will be redirected to the Edit Profile page. On this page, we can edit our details. We will change the weight and one of the nutritional goals. So once we are done, we will click on the Edit Profile button and we will be redirected back to the My Profile page. On this page, we can see that the values of weight in the My Account section and the nutritional goal in My Goals has changed. And we can also see that the progress bar has been adjusted accordingly. Once we are done, we can click on the Logout button and we'll be redirected back to the login page. And that is how our app, Arceus, works.